We're going to open up this panel here. This is approximately 10 years old Goodman unit, according to the customer. More like 11. It's about 11 years old now. I'm old school, so I'm stick with the nut driver. Usually don't break out my drill unless I got to do some real work. There's only 2 screws, so good old nut driver will do. Kind of keep your muscles working in your hand, you know. Don't want to get too spoiled. And just as I expected, the capacitor is swollen. You can see that it's kind of bowed out at the top. So definitely going to need to change that thing. And we should probably test the compressor as well. Nah, we ain't gonna test it. We ain't got time for that. We'll just change this capacitor out, and we'll recommend changing contactor too, because it's rusted pretty badly here and probably pitted on the inside. Open it up, take a look at it. Yeah, it's a little pitting going on, but still got some connection. Just a recommendation. That'll be the next thing to go. So we're gonna go ahead and write it up. Also recommend hard start kit for this aging compressor. And since it is over 10 years old, we've got to, as a policy, we've got to recommend upgrading the system, as this is currently using R22 refrigerant, which has been phased out for a number of years now. Really expensive to use that stuff. So before we have to get into adding Freon to this thing, we'll go ahead and recommend replacing, upgrading the system to R410A. I'm gonna give her options to repair as well, and we'll just see where it goes. I'm gonna sign off for now, come back a little later, let you know what we're gonna go with. And this is a 4-ton, so it's a fairly large unit. The main floor of this house, it's got 2 units. So definitely got to do something fast.